Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set default font in MS Word. This is very simple and very pretty easy. So let's get started. First you need to go to the home and click on this arrow tab, and here you need to select the font. I want Century Gothic and I want regular font style. If you want to click bold, then you can bold select the bold, and the size is 16 is enough. And after that go to the advanced section, and here you can check that the scale is 100%, spacing is normal, position is normal, everything is normal and as default. And after that you need to click on set as default, and this message will be appeared. Do you want to set the default font to Century Gothic 6pt for only this document or for the all documents based on normal template? So you need to click on the all documents and then click on OK, and after close the MS Word, then your setting will be saved. And here in this way you can set the default font in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.